it's Sonia from Just Women's Business, and today I want to show you how you can customize your own social media icons in Canva. You can change them into your own branding colors. It's super easy, and you can go from this to this. So without further ado, let's go. So I've just created a 500 by 500 pixel square, and we're going to work on that. So I'll just X myself out and hide that. So obviously the social media icons you can find just about everything in Canva. This one I've actually typed in Facebook icons, so I'll just click on that one. Anything with the crown is obviously a paid for element, but in saying that, the free ones are still really good. And I'll just do another, I've got another page here, and I might type in Instagram. And I'll go for something that's a squarish one, so I like to stick to square types of Instagram ones so that they're easy to keep sort of within your brand image. I'll just click on free, and that might help me find one. So though in saying that, I do kind of like this one, so I'll pop that down there. And so I take back what I just, oh no, sorry, there's one. So we'll do that. So we'll click on that, and if you're not sure sometimes if an element is free, click on it, go to the three dots here and go more, go to info, and it'll tell you if it's free or a paid for item. So that's a really handy tip. So I'll do that with that one and go to info, and that's free as well. So when you click on it, the color swatches appear, so that means I've got 3 color options I can interchange, and this one I only have 2, the blue and the white. So I'll go to the color swatch, and I'll go to my color palette, and because I've only got 2 options, I might go the pink on the outside, and for the white one I'll go the black on the inside. And for the Facebook one, I might go the brown on the outside, the lighter blue I'll go pink, and the middle, like if I went, actually, sorry, I didn't click on that. And the white one, if I went black, that sort of, it doesn't really work. Hang on, I'll make that the pink, the middle one the lighter pink. Yeah, that probably works a little bit better. So if you want to check on the grid view, they sort of look a lot more uniform than they would have before as the old blue and white and the Facebook blue and white. So if you want to download it, just drag it right to the, I'm having trouble here, to the corner as best you can without sort of cutting off too much of the graphic. And you can go to position and go center middle, and that gives you an idea of how close you are to the edge. I might see if I can just drag it out a bit better. And we'll just, for this purpose, we'll just download this one. So when I go to download it, I'll go to share, I'll go download, I'll hit PNG, but which it was on PNG, but you've got to tick the transparent background option, otherwise it will download as a square with the white background. And this is actually page 2, so we'll click on current page 2, or you can click there and go down and download. Now I'll go to my projects and go to folders and go to social icons, and there it is. And I will upload it. There we go. And now I'll go to like this is a business card I've created, so I'll make it a bit bigger, and we'll go to page 2. And obviously you can see there are no social media icons at the bottom of this page. So I'll go to my folders, I'll go to socials, and I'll go to images, and I want to click this one on and pop it down there. Now I probably should have made it maybe more the taupe and white, but that is sort of another way of popping. Actually, it probably look better on the front. Yeah, that's better. So you can have that. If you didn't want your website there, you could actually, I'll make it about 7. I'll go left a line, drag it next to it, and I'll go at your social. And I'll just shorten that, and then that actually looks a lot nicer than if I'd gone to Elements and popped in the old Facebook blue. I mean the old Instagram blue. So it does really make a difference when you can customize your social media icons to fit your color palette. So I hope that's helped, and if you like this, please like and leave a comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate that. And if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.